to my channel. So right here I have a Walgreens haul for you guys, and this is the first round. This is one of 3 hauls. I got up early this morning and I went out to Walgreens. So I did this one transaction at one store, and then I did 2 transactions at another Walgreens. So those two videos will be up later in the week. I also made a mistake on those transactions, and I will talk about that in those videos. But for right now, this is the first transaction and this is what I have. So I have 3 of the Ajax laundry detergents. I have 2 of these Irish Spring body washes. I have a total of 4 Dawn dish soaps. I have 2 of these Speed Stick deodorants. I have 2 of the Neutrogena healthy skin blushes. And I have 4 of these Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. So before I get into the video, you guys, if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you can just take a moment, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be aware of every time I upload a video. Because I noticed when I checked my YouTube analytics, I noticed that the majority of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed to me. I don't know why, but you guys, come on, go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So these deals are good all the way up until Saturday, which is May 1st. So right here, I have 3 Ajax laundry detergents, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for 99 cents. That is just the sale price, no coupons or anything. The Irish Spring is priced at $4.99, and you can choose between Irish Spring or soft soap, or you can mix and match, get an Irish Spring and a soft soap, whatever you choose. Also, you will receive 5,000 points when you buy 2. Now, the deal is a little bit differently this time around, because normally we can purchase however many soft soaps or Irish Spring as we would like in one transaction and just get the points. Like, it's like, for an example, the deal used to be buy 2 get 5,000 points, and there wasn't a limit on how many that we can purchase in the same transaction to continue to get the 5,000 points. But this week we can only purchase 2 and receive the 5,000 points once per transaction. So if you would like to grab 2 Irish Spring and also 2 soft soaps, you would have to do a separate transaction in order to, because if you do 4 in one transaction, you will only receive 5,000 points. You won't receive 10,000. So Walgreens has a limit on that this week. Not quite sure why, but it shows it in the ad. I didn't test it out to see if I could purchase 4 and get the 10,000 points. I didn't test it out. If you would like to test it out, that's completely up to you, but I didn't, and I just thought I would let you guys know. So I hope that makes sense. So I purchased 2 at $4.99. So that brought my total to $9.98. I used 2 printable 75% off of 1 Irish Spring coupons that I printed from the Irish Spring website. So if you would like to print those coupons, just go to www.irishspring.com and you can print off a maximum of 2 coupons, 2 75-cent off coupons. And then also with the soft soap, I also went to the soft soap website, but I wasn't able to print any soft soap coupons because I have already reached my limit, and so I couldn't print any. So if you would like to also get some soft soap as well, you can go to soft soap, www.softsoap.com, and you should be able to print off 2 75-cent off coupons for that as well. So 2 75-cent off coupons brought my total to, so that's $1.50 in coupons. So $9.98 minus the $1.50 in coupons that I used, it brought my total down to $8.48. And remember, the deal is buy 2 get 5,000 points. So $8.48 minus the 5,000 points that I did get back, it brought my total down to $3.48 for both, or $1.74 each, which is a decent price. For the Dawn, I have 2 of these Dawns and then 2 more over here. So the Dawns this week at Walgreens is priced at 99 cents. No coupons. That is just the sale price as well. And I am still in the process of stocking up on dish soap. So I just decided to go ahead and grab 4 of those. Then right here, I have 2 of the Speed Stick deodorants. So the deal with these are buy 1, get 1 50% off. And then also when you buy 2, you will receive 3,000 points, which is $3. So at my store, these are priced at $2.99. So buy one, get one 50% off. So one rung up at $2.99. The other one rung up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 brings my overall total to $4.48. There is a 50% off of one digital coupon that I used on this. And then I also went to the Speed Stick website. So www.speedstick.com. And then I also printed off another 50% off coupon that I used on this as well. So I used a total of $1 in coupons. So $4.48 minus the $1 in coupons brought my total down to just $3.48. And then remember, buy two, get 3,000 points. So I paid $3.48 out of pocket. I did get back 3,000 points. So that makes my overall total for the both of these deodorants 48 cents or 24 cents each, which is an amazing price, you guys. So go to www.speedstick.com if you would like to take advantage and print off some coupons. And I think the maximum amount you can print off is 2. So the next deal I have right here is I have 2 of these Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blushes. Now these right here, when I checked online, these were priced at $5.89 online. When I got in store, the price was totally different. The price was $9.79 for these. So the deal with these is buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, so, and you know, I didn't want to change my transaction around, so I just went ahead and just purchased them at the $9.79. So buy one, get one 50% off. So I purchased one at $9.79, and then I purchased the other one at $4.89. So $9.79 plus $4.89 is $14.68. I also used a $2 off of any 2 Neutrogena products from the IVC book. With using that coupon, it brought my total down to $12.68. Ibotta also has a rebate for these, and the rebate is get $4 back. The limit for that is 2, so I do have 2 here, and I did get back $8 from Ibotta. So I paid $12.68 out of pocket. I got back $8 from Ibotta, so that brought the total down to $4.68 for both, or $2.34 each. Now, if these would have been $5.89 like they were priced online, then these would have been a moneymaker for me. And that's the deal that I was going for. I was going for the money-making deal. But unfortunately, the price was higher, and I didn't feel like, you know, switching up my transaction, so I just went ahead and purchased it. But at the end of the day, it's okay. I used registry rewards on this order anyway. And then the last items I got are 4 of these Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. And these right here were pretty much just filler items because I wanted to use my registry rewards. So these right here were filler items, and these are just priced this week at Walgreens for 79 cents. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. Oh, and also you guys, I used a get 5,000 points when you spend $20 digital booster. And then I also used registry rewards. So right here, the first 2 are the Speed Stick deodorant. So as you can see, one work up at $2.99, the other at $1.49. The right here are both of the Neutrogenas. So one work up at $9.79, the other rung up half off at $4.89. And as you can see, the store IVC coupon did come off for both, which is $2 total. Right here are the 3 Ajax at 99 cents, so $2.97. I have 2 of the Done here at 99, so $1.98. Another 2 Done at 99, so $1.98. And then I have all 4 of the Hershey bars at 79 cents, so $3.16. And then I have both of the Irish Spring right here, which rung up at $4.99 each. And so as you can see, these are the coupons. So the 75-cent off of 1 Irish Spring, both of those coupons came off. And then this right here is for both of the Speed Sticks. So the digital came off and my paper came off. And then I used a total of $20 in registry rewards. So that brought my overall subtotal to $14.73. I did use $5 in points. And so out of pocket, I paid $12.69. But my overall total was $14.73. And then when you look down here, I got back 320 everyday points, and I got back 18,000 points. So from the 18,000, I got back 5K for spending 20 because that's the digital booster that I had. So I got back 5K for spending 20. I got back 5K for the Irish Spring because remember the Irish Spring was buy 2 get 5,000 points. So I got back 5,000 for that. I got back 3,000 points from the Speed Stick. Remember, the Speed Stick was buy one, get one 50% off. Get 3,000 points when you buy two. So I got back 3,000 points from that. And then I also got back the $8 from Ibotta from purchasing 2 of the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blushes. So in rewards, I got back a total of $21. So I paid $14.73 out of pocket, and then I got back a total of $21 in rewards, which is amazing. I knew this week that I wanted to take advantage because last week I did a lot of deals and some of the same deals over and over again last week because I wanted to get the registry rewards so that I can use them this week. So that was the goal, and my goal was to spend as little out of pocket as possible, but unfortunately that did not work in this transaction, but that's okay because I got back a total of $21 in rewards. So I am overall happy with this transaction. So this is round 1. I do have 2 more videos coming for you guys. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, you guys, if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, please, please, please consider subscribing, okay? Also, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, I will have that linked in the description box below. And I will also have my Instagram name on the screen for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I think that is it for this video, you guys. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.